I'm gonna be honest. There's only 5 minutes left. Mods, run a prediction right now if I'm gonna laugh or not. I can like almost guarantee you that I don't laugh. I can like almost guarantee you that I don't laugh. Chad, is this not crazy? I mean, like, I like, bro, there's no way I laugh, bro. On God, there's no way I laugh. I had to sneeze. Hey! I had to sneeze. That doesn't count. No. I had to sneeze. That doesn't count. On my daughter, that doesn't count. You're not. No! Don't even dare! I had to sneeze. On God. On God, I had to sneeze.